If you're thinking about buying property in Portugal, this channel could save you a lot of time, stress and money. A lot of people come here, fall in love with a property and move far too quickly. That's when problems start. They miss legal issues, they underestimate renovation costs, they trust the wrong people, and sometimes they buy something they don't fully understand. I'm Jim. I've spent over 30 years buying, building, renovating and flipping property across multiple countries, including the last 7 years here in Portugal. And what I've learned is simple. Buying property in Portugal can be brilliant, but only if you know exactly what you're buying. Because a property looking charming and a property being good investment are not always the same thing. This channel is about helping foreign buyers slow down, assess properly, and avoid expensive mistakes before committing serious money. I focus on the practical side. What's wrong with the property? What could this really cost? What are the risks involved? What should you check before signing anything? And when should you just walk away? Whether you're looking at a ruin, a renovation project, a village house, a country property, or a new build, the goal is exactly the same. Buy with your eyes wide open. Here I cover property red flags, renovation reality, inspection tips, hidden costs, builder problems, and real project lessons from Portugal. If you want to make smarter property decisions in Portugal, don't forget to subscribe and check out my free checklist. The link's in the bio. This channel is not here to sell you a dream. It's here to help you avoid bad decisions before they get expensive.